Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Color LaserJet Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the link speed on this printer. So firstly, open the control panel, then open settings. Scroll down and find here network setup. Then scroll down again and find here general settings. Scroll down and find here link speed. Click on it and you can change your link speed, for example, to 100 half or 100 full or 10 full, 10 half, but I suggest you use automatic mode. So just use automatic mode, wait a while, and as you can see we are successfully connected. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye!